hit the club, niggas cops full of jealous.
Alright, y'all, so we got some donuts glazed in chocolate. And then we got like, what?
My flowers. Damn, R.I.P. I just want to say this prayer.
Be so for real. Today, y'all, we got breakfast. Today is a mental day. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Sometimes when you really need a break, take that break and don't let nobody stop you from taking that break, because you know when you had enough, right? You had enough?
I had enough.
I've had enough.
I've had 3 years of enough.
I've had enough. And I feel like a job literally be taken away from you. You know, you and your full potential. You spend so much time at a job, you be drained at that job. And then by the time that you get home, you barely finishing your agenda. Even though I'm finishing my agenda, but what left do I have for myself, you know? Hey guys, so let's go ahead and get this Monday started. I already edited the video for today that I want to post for today, but I'm gonna go ahead and I have to add like the preview at the beginning and make the thumbnail, and when I come back, and then we're gonna do that. I'm just talking to y'all right now because the skin is skinning, the hair is hair, and the bob is bobbing. So all of that is doing what it's supposed to do, but we finna go run our errands that we need to get done for the day, and then when we come back to the house, we still got some more stuff to do. So let's just go. You find a flight that can't even see me. I'm way out of here. I'm too far on the sky. I don't even know why I just turned the camera on, but I just felt like turning the camera on to talk to y'all because, hey, I missed y'all. So we tried to go to the post office, but he just spoke a little too soon. And they were not open. They have like this little self-service thing. You can still walk in, but you know the essential workers just ain't essential today. I think she went too far up on the thing. She was just like, would you be able to edit off of HP? Or it would just be best to get a MacBook? Would you want to do a
like a monitor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's all I was asking. They do got iPads though. Yeah. They probably just ain't got them out. It's probably something that you gotta order. I really be trying to buy mounts for y'all. I swear. But these are car chargers and stuff. I be trying to find the mounts because I'm tired of my stuff shaking. Like, it's time to fix that, you know? It's time to invest for the tube. It's an iHome functional. What? I will show y'all, but I just got y'all right. That thing over there. It's an iHome. It's a plant. An iHome plant. Ooh. Alright. He's such a big freaking kid. Like, you do not need all this candy. Hello. 24-inch. See, our curved monitor is good for long work, not gaming. Are they really better? But do you need anything else for it though? That's what I'm not understanding. Too damn tall.
Am I rude for that? Was that rude? I just don't like people like that.
Club got our big goofy ass.
Bamboozled.
We've been bamboozled. So we had got the monitor, like the 24-inch curved monitor for Samsung or whatever. But we thinking that it's an all-in-one. We just hit a deal. We should have known shit ain't gonna be cheap. Should have known. Basically, unless it's an all-in-one monitor, you know, like those little big black boxes that be sitting at the bottom. We have like an all-in-one. You gotta buy it separate. So then they started showing us the prices and stuff like that, and then it's 400 and 800 and da 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 da. Dang, man, thought we had a friend.
You know what they say.
What they say?
If you think it, you come through and go ahead.
Whatever.
They say if you go and you really think about warm, like deep thinking about warm, you will get warm. Of course, I doubt that's gonna last for hours. You feel me? Your skin do freeze and stuff, but you gonna think that you feeling warm.
So, if I think that I'm in Bora Bora, I'm gonna feel like I'm in Bora Bora. Be real quiet.
That's
not the same.
delusion.
That's not delusional. Thinking that you're warm when you're really cold. I'm gonna keep thinking that I got $1 million in my bank account. Next thing you know, I'm gonna be imagining 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 be added. And I'm like, let's go. Bands make them dance. We say 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s. Work your way up to them big face honeys. Just bounce. We're gonna go to Best Buy, and we're gonna tune in with y'all when we get to Best Buy, because we're gonna see if it's really a Best Buy. So bye. Smack. 20 points. Look at his phone, y'all. Because you can tell the quality difference with these, because that one's like, I don't even know if it's just like the way it's displayed, but that's ashy. And this is more clear.
That Samsung one is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So we got a good one. It's just
you need the rest of the puzzle, like the guy said.
That's what I'm like.
That's so funny.
Yeah, like
I'm like, nigga, I'm
you talking about a whole TV stand, and he said, oh, you can hang this on the wall. I said, that's what I'm like, no. This is not, you not understanding. Do you hear the words that's coming out my mouth?
It's all the same. I hate this place, I'm stuck in this bed.
We did it, y'all. We get it. Y'all.
We're bad.
We're terrible.
This is horrible.
We are terrible. I'll show my excitement when we get in the car, though. This is crazy. It is so crazy because Malik was legit just telling you, and you done fucked around and found the fuck out. Like, y'all, this is just a day vlog. The vlog is over. We're wrapping this. I don't want to see what the week has in store. This is not a weekly vlog. This is just for today. I'm telling you, it's over. We're done. Baby, you hear me? We done. Well, I have to be careful. This is what it comes with. This big old box for this little stuff. You got your cord, the other piece to your cord, and your stands. This is actually cool because, or I could just put it in the thing. Okay, it's a nice size little mouse. Click, 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 click. Yep. It gives you some batteries, wireless keyboard, so we can click, clack, click, click, clack, click. The big guy. It comes very nicely boxed up, you know, by yours Best Buy truly. wallpaper dummy of us. We do English. Hold up. Yes. Not us playing a game while we wait on this thing to download. Alright, yeah. What?
Come on, baby.
I'm trying here.
You got work done. You do this. Ooh.
I am about to beat this ass. We were just cool. We got the computer getting set up. Everything's getting downloaded. And yet this don't remember my birthday? He said the 14th, the 28th, the 23rd.
Oh, man.
He said, oh. Shows how important
That's
I
the
am.
same thing.
You
It's
made
you
a fool
you gotta
of
give it to
me. Tell me why. That is not the same thing.
Like a 3.
Please hold.
No, but.
Okay, y'all. So we got the PC set up and everything. I said PC. We got the PC set up and everything. And I got my videos transferring over, so we about to be learning how to edit all over again. Yay! So yeah, like I told y'all, this is not gonna be a weekly vlog. This is just a day that took me by the hell of a surprise. So I hope you appreciate it and like this vlog. Make sure that they what, baby?
They like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Share it, man.
Share it, man. So yeah, I hope that y'all liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Man. There's changes coming. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later.